In this video we will try to show some functionalities that this interface offers us. I'm going to show the prototype of daily activities, and later on Elona will show the other part of general health information. Login part is where careers should write their credentials to login. After the login is successful, they are going to be redirected to the screen, which is divided in some parts. Since of our limited time, I'm going to mention only two functionalities that this interface offers. There are cases when careers should date a meeting with their relatives, and on the meeting part this date will be shown. Also a calendar assigned with number 3 we thought to be a shared calendar with other careers that are observing same elderly. This will help them in cases when one of the careers won't be able to have a meeting and the other one, if she is available, they just check the date. 3 buttons on the right side are part of notification center. Attention and alarm are parts where careers will get critical and non-critical notification. Attention example, fall from the chair but person is okay, or alarm example, fall from chair and broke her arm. In these cases further decision should be made. Support is the button where careers will have notification when their relatives have a need for